Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Semrush affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Semrush affiliate program and hit enter. After that, you will see the first link that says Semrush affiliate program. Make sure you're on www.semrush.com and click on this site. When you click on it, you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, you will see an article that will say, do you have an affiliate program? Now, you'll have to scroll down and navigate to the how to get started section. Here you're going to click on register or sign in link that will be in orange color. When you click on this link, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, click on join the marketplace. Now you can sign up and start earning with email, Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, LinkedIn, or you can also sign in with impact.com. So select any one of these links. So I'm going to sign up with email. I'll click on sign up with email, enter my first name, enter my last name, my username, enter your email address, enter a password, enter your mobile number, select your country in this field, choose I have read and accept the partner user agreement and the master campaign agreement and click on get started. After you click on get started, you will receive a verification code to your email that you would have added in the previous form. So navigate to your Gmail, note down the code you received and enter that code in this field. Then click on verify. After you click on verify, it will ask what is your primary business model. So select any one of these options. I'm going to select creator and click on continue. Now you can add a website, social media, mobile app, podcast, newsletter, or you can also add an offline method that you're going to use to promote your links. So click on add social if you want to add a social media. Choose any one of these links and that will promote you to your social media page. Click on allow and your social media page would be added on this page. Then click on continue at the bottom. Choose individual on this page. Type in an account display name. Choose your country in this field. Type in a street address. Enter your city. Enter your zip code. Select your currency and click on submit at the bottom. Now click on OK and you'll be promoted to this page. When you click on OK, you will see a page that will look something like this. Here, you can apply to a marketplace by clicking on this and click on get started. When you click on get started, it will verify your email. Now you'll have to choose whether you are registered for GST or not. So I will choose I'm not registered for indirect tax and click on save. Click on yes, I'm sure. Click on save again. Now you'll be promoted to your public profile page. Here, you can choose a logo for your page, enter a description, enter your content and interests, choose a business model, add your personal information, shipping information, additional information, contact, media kit, and pause profile. After filling out this page, click on the save button at the bottom and you'll be set up for your affiliate program on Semrush. You can click on your name at the top left corner and choose your account, and that's how you can join Semrush affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.